Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you a trick and tip that will help you guys to make presentational videos. This will be great for teachers or even students during a Zoom meeting. To demonstrate this, I've created a document here. You can see it in Microsoft Word. And when you go ahead and hit your record button, you have this pencil here in the right top hand corner. When you click on the pencil, it brings out a couple of tools. And these are the tools that we're going to look at, guys, that are going to make your presentation awesome. So the tool that we're going to look at first is going to be the pencil. I'm going to go ahead over to it and click on the pen. It's the pen actually, not the pencil. This one allows you to freely write across the screen that you're recording. See? It's a little tricky because I'm using a mouse, so I'm going to undo it. But it's really awesome and useful if you want to put some notes on whatever you're recording, especially presentational style or lecture style, or if you're making a lesson, or if you're a student who's making a presentation. The next tool we're going to look at is the highlight tool. So when you click on the highlight, you can choose what color you're highlighting in and the width or strength of how the highlight is going to be. I left mine on yellow and on 20%, and this is the result that I got from it. This is my favorite. It's a line tool. When you click on it, you can draw a free straight line in your presentation, whatever you want. The next tool is the arrow button. When you click on it, you can point at or towards things that you want your audience to see in a better way. You can see how these ones come out so clean and a natural feeling that you can do it anywhere on the screen that you're recording using Bandicam recording software. The next one is also my favorite, which is supposed to be the box around tool. And this one, you use it to box around or to highlight places that you want your audience to see. For example, here, when you're doing your recording, which is also my favorite. The next one is the number tool. When you click on the number tool, you can go ahead and place numbers around your recording. Whatever you want, say, I want tips for teachers to be number 1, and I want hello teachers to be number 2. Today I want to show you how you can annotate number 3, make marks number 4, add numbers and all the fun stuff to be number 5, and Bandicam screen recording software to be number 6. Now, there is one that allows you to type on your recording freely, and this is called the text tool. You can see I've selected it here. It's marked with a big T to show text for the text tool. When you click whatever you're recording, you can go ahead and type whatever message that you want to type for your audience in your recording. For me today, I'm going to type, these are tips and tricks for Bandicam software for teachers and students. That's all I wanted to say today. And now the next tool is the erase tool, which when you click on, it allows you to remove the marks that you created on the screen in the recording in a box format. I just use it over there, and I can cut off these ones to make them shorter. Last but not least are these two arrows here at the bottom. The one on the left undoes your final attempt, while the one on the right redoes your final attempt. So it's undo and redo, just like you see I'm doing here. To demonstrate these tools, I went ahead and used a different screen recording software to record Bandicam in action. So what's going to happen at the end of this video, I'm going to put the video that we're recording right here. You can see it in the square here where the Bandicam recording is showing, and you guys are going to be able to check it out to see the magic that annotation can do to your video. I'm going to pen it on this video, and it should be starting by now. So thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Leave me a thumbs up if you like the video. Please share and also subscribe. Let me know what you think about videos like this in the comment section below. And in case of anything that is stoning you, that is not allowing you to do your work pretty correctly, leave me also a question. in the comment section and I'll be able to answer it for you. Thank you so much guys for watching. Bye bye for now.